In this rapidly evolving digital era, the demand for quick, efficient, and superior network services is relentless. Yet, managing these complex networks has become an increasingly daunting task. We are confronted with the critical need to enhance mean time to repair, MTTR, and network quality, while significantly reducing the reliance on manual repetitive tasks. By leveraging the potential of GenAI within Operations Support Systems (OSS) domain, we aim to not only address critical challenges, but also to pave the way for future possibilities. Our approach promises to boost network reliability, improve customer experiences, and unparalleled operational efficiencies. We proudly present a revolutionary GenAI-supported ODA component at the platform layer, meticulously crafted to integrate with autonomous operations and operations value streams outlined by the new Team Forum's AOMM. This breakthrough represents a significant stride towards fully autonomous network operations, enabling networks that can self-diagnose, self-repair, and facilitating predictive maintenance. Discover how our solution equips operators with the capability to detect and resolve network anomalies in real time, dramatically reducing MTTR. Observe the automation of routine tasks, freeing up valuable human resources to concentrate on more strategic and innovative endeavors. United in our efforts, we are not merely participants but pioneers, charting the course towards a future dominated by autonomous operations.